Did you know that the gel from this humble plant can revolutionize your skincare and boost your health in ways you never imagined? Welcome to Holistic Vibe. Today, we're diving deep into the world of aloe vera, exploring its multitude of uses from soothing skin irritations to boosting digestion. Stick around as we uncover the amazing health benefits of this incredible plant, practical tips on how to use it, and some surprising facts you probably have not heard before. Aloe vera, known as the plant of immortality by ancient Egyptians, has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. It is a succulent plant species of the genus Aloe. The leaves of aloe vera contain a clear gel that is widely used in ointments, creams, and beverages. This versatile plant has been documented in ancient texts from Egypt, Greece, and China, highlighting its historical significance across various cultures. Understanding the benefits of aloe vera can help you incorporate a powerful, natural remedy into your daily routine. From skincare to digestive health, this amazing plant offers a range of incredible health benefits that are both effective and easy to use. Modern research continues to validate many of the traditional uses of aloe vera, making it a valuable addition to your wellness arsenal. This remarkable plant is renowned for its ability to soothe and heal the skin. It is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which are all essential for skin health. These vitamins help to protect the skin from free radicals, which can cause damage and premature aging. Aloe vera also contains anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce redness and swelling. The gel's natural moisturizing properties make it an excellent remedy for dry and flaky skin. Additionally, this wonder plant stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, which helps keep the skin firm and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply aloe vera gel directly to the skin to treat sunburn, acne, and minor cuts. For a hydrating face mask, mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. You can also make a soothing lotion by blending aloe vera gel with a few drops of essential oil, such as lavender or tea tree oil, for added benefits. Aloe vera contains enzymes that aid digestion and reduce inflammation in the gut. It has been shown to help with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other inflammatory bowel diseases. Aloe vera also helps to balance the pH levels in your stomach, promoting a healthy digestive system. The plant's laxative properties can also help with constipation, making it a natural and gentle solution for maintaining regular bowel movements. Consume aloe vera juice before meals to improve digestion. Start with small amounts, such as 2 ounces, to avoid any potential side effects. You can mix the juice with water or add it to smoothies for a refreshing drink. Be sure to choose aloe vera juice that is specifically labeled for internal use and avoid products with added sugars or artificial ingredients. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, aloe vera boosts your immune system and helps fight off illnesses. These vitamins are antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. This wonder plant also contains polysaccharides, which are known to stimulate the immune system. Furthermore, the plant's antimicrobial properties can help protect against bacteria and viruses, enhancing your body's natural defense mechanisms. Incorporate aloe vera into your diet with smoothies or detox drinks. Combine it with other immune-boosting ingredients like ginger, lemon, and honey for an extra health kick. Drinking juice from this wonder plant regularly can help maintain a strong immune system and overall health. Additionally, you can make a nutrient-packed smoothie by blending the plant's gel with fruits like berries, spinach, and a splash of almond milk. Aloe vera's role in traditional medicine, including its use in Ayurvedic treatments, is fascinating. In Ayurveda, aloe vera is known as kumari, and is used for its cooling properties. It is often used to treat burns, wounds, and skin disorders. Aloe vera is also believed to help with liver health and menstrual problems. Moreover, this plant has been used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat fungal diseases and as a natural remedy for various skin conditions. One of the most compelling stories comes from a woman who used aloe vera to treat her eczema. She applied aloe vera gel to her affected areas daily and noticed a significant improvement in her skin condition within weeks. Another success story is from a man who used the plant's juice to manage his acid reflux. After drinking aloe vera juice daily, he reported a reduction in symptoms and improved overall digestion. Additionally, there are numerous testimonials from people who have used aloe vera to reduce the visibility of scars and stretch marks, highlighting its versatility and effectiveness. Personally, I have found aloe vera to be incredibly effective for treating sunburns. On a trip to the beach, I got a severe sunburn despite using sunscreen. I applied fresh aloe vera gel to the burn, and within a few days, the redness and pain had significantly reduced. This personal experience made me a firm believer in the healing powers of this plant. I have also used it as a natural moisturizer during the winter months when my skin tends to get extremely dry. The results have been remarkable, with my skin feeling soft and hydrated without any greasy residue. Today, we have explored the incredible benefits of aloe vera for skincare, digestion, and immune support. We have learned how this wonderful plant can be a powerful natural remedy for various health issues, and how easy it is to incorporate it into our daily routines. From ancient uses to modern applications, aloe vera continues to be a versatile and effective plant for promoting health and wellness. Try out some of these tips and let us know how they work for you in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more holistic health tips. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Remember, the best remedies often come from nature. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay holistic. Thank you for watching Holistic Vibe. Embrace the natural healing power of aloe vera and enjoy its numerous benefits in your daily life.